Hey guys, what's up? We got some exciting news to share. Panda is officially sponsored by Brian Tooley Racing. That's right. BTR is now backing Panda. They sent us an LS3 Trinity intake and a black finish with a fuel rail kit to match, and this thing is sweet. We're currently running a set of Dart Pro 1 Cathedral Port heads and a Cathedral Port Holly High Ram intake, which is great for the top end power. Although the Trinity intake falls in that 6,000 to 8,000 RPM range, we do plan to turbo the truck later on, so we figured we'll go ahead and set it up with that. Don't feel like it's going to hurt us. If anything, it's going to gain us a little bit in the mid-range, but we'll see how it does. This intake is built to move some serious air, and with the rest of our combo, it's going to really help Panda stretch its legs. We've already had a pretty serious setup, but this is just going to take things to the next level with going to a rectangle port system. And for you guys that don't know, we also got approved to compete in Burnout Wars at LS Fest East in September, so we have to have this intake and those heads swapped out before then and have Panda lined out, ready to rip, and go show the world what we're capable of. This intake is purpose-built for street and race applications. It's got a 3-piece modular design, so that means that the runners and the plenum can be separated. That gives easy access to servicing, porting, and maintaining the intake. It is compatible with 92mm and 102mm throttle bodies. Your sensor and vacuum ports are designed for easy clearance and a sleek, nice, clean look. But guys, we're super excited to get this thing on, give Panda breathing a little bit more air, and have BTR on our team. We do have a big decal coming in for the truck, so you guys be on the lookout for that and be watching out for the episode where we install the rectangle port heads and this BTR intake. You guys know that Panda was built to beat on, but we're always chasing better, and BTR is a name that we've looked up to for a long time. We're proud dealers for them. We sell a lot of parts for them guys. We install a lot of their parts. We love their products. We're super thankful to have them backing us and believing in us and what we're doing. Make sure you hit that like button, drop us a comment, and ring that bell. Make sure you're subscribed so you get updates on future content like this. And we'll see you guys at some car shows, more burnout competitions, and the drag strip this season in 2025.